What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking a detailed look around the new Oxidized green Jordan 4 that's set to release. Man, look at this beautiful box. So we're going to take a look around this bad boy. Believe it or not, this is my first pair of 4s. I do have others coming in, but I'm going back to some of the older retro silhouettes that I never really gave a chance in the past, because anybody that's been following along knows I'm more of a Jordan 1 and then Jordan 12, 13, 14 kind of guy historically, but man, I'm looking forward to checking these out. So quick look around the box. Like I said, it's got this metallic oxidized green, as they're calling it. My standard true to size 8.5 men's white oxidized green white. So let's bust these bad boys open. Has the splatter print paper. Oh yeah. These are slightly more premium than some of the other releases. That is a soft feel to this leather with the polyurethane coating. You see the cut with the die cut out here on the toe, even on the toe rand. You can see the grain, that oxidized green. So any of you not familiar, the last time they released oxidized green, which my cousin still has them, the last retro release, which I think came out in 2016, was the oxidized green 14s. The Jordan 14 oxidized, I believe, is what they were called. And are the indigos? No, they were the indigos. I'm sorry. And they had this oxidized green on the panel on the TPU. Whereas, man, these are super fresh. Even the tongue doesn't feel too pleathery, plasticky. I gotta say, the green in the back. Like any of you Oakland Athletics fans, these are a must cop for you guys. These will go really well with some Oakland Athletics gear. I love the way the jeweled Jumpman is in the rear on this one. And the little flip top portion is actually part of the leather instead of plastic like they typically are. Like I said, these are slightly more premium than other 4s are. The leather panel on these wings, the lace wings or whatever for lockdown to really hold your foot down into the heel counter. Visible air unit in the heel, encased and encapsulated air sole in the forefoot. Herringbone traction. Have a light gray, the oxidized green color, and white. Rubber, not polyurethane here on the bottom, because sometimes they have the polyurethane showing through. Very, very firm. I gotta say, it's a very firm polyurethane on here. Let's get this paper out of the inside. Let's check this insole. Hopefully it's at least Dream Cell and not cheap EVA crap. It is indeed Dream Cell. You have that same color oxidized green with the Jumpman. It is the Dream Cell, which is squishy, fluffy, will offer some decent step-in comfort. It's not as good as polyurethane, obviously. Can actually feel the air sole through the strobel. It's not as good as a polyurethane midsole, obviously, but it's way better than that cheap EVA crap. Whether it be the gray stuff, the green stuff, the light blue, that's all cheap garbage EVA foam. So it's nice to see they at least put the Dream Cell. So these are really, really fresh. I'll have had some B-roll footage going around throughout. So definitely let me know down below. Are you planning on copying these? What do you think about them? And yeah, let's check these bad boys out on feet and get on with it.